Good morning, Diane in Denmark here. I really don't like getting up these dark mornings. But anyway, I thought I would take you along my little morning routine and show you how I keep it hygge, nice and cozy. First of all, obviously get out of bed, hopefully when the alarm goes off. Pull back the duvet so I can let the bed air until my morning routine is done. So anyway, first thing, let's go and grab some coffee. Right, I can smell the coffee from here. I always have the coffee machine set up the night before so we can just come down and grab a cup of coffee from my favourite mug. And also I have these LED candles from IKEA. These are the ones with a timer on them. So it's really nice. You can set them up and they will switch on at the same time every day. And I have these ones coming on very early in the morning. So whoever comes down to breakfast first is met with a nice hygge light. Okay, I'm going to grab my coffee and quickly head down and reboot the laundry. Sometimes I put a load of laundry on at night before I go to bed and put it on the timer function, and other times I just throw a load in the morning. But anyway, the last part of my laundry is normally putting it on for a spin, and then I go off and I'll do the rest of my morning routine, you know, having my shower while that finishes off. So let me go and do that. So I'm in the bathroom and got my coffee here with me. I've lit the candles because I like to keep it as dark as possible in here in the morning. I could put on the main light, but if I do that, it's too much for me in the morning. So I like to have my shower by candlelight, and then I can get on with my hair and makeup. That'll be the next stage after this. So let me get into the shower and I'll have a wee sing-song. Okay, hair and makeup time. As you can see, we're back in the bedroom, and again got another candle going. I also have, oh hold on, let me just pop this down. I also have my jewellery ready for the day. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I look at my outfit the day before as part of my morning routine when I'm putting away laundry. So I always have my outfit ready to go in the morning as soon as I'm out of the shower. And I don't know if you can hear in the background, I've got the windows open. I like to keep the windows open in the morning, give the place a good air. So anyway, I'm going to get on with a very simple blow dry of my hair and get some makeup on. Takes about 5 minutes, and then I will get some breakfast. Yay, breakfast time. And usually for my breakfast I'll have raw porridge oats, havregryn as they call it in Denmark, with raisins and milk. And if I'm going down for a very early morning dip, you know, I'm a winter bather, I swim naked all year round in the Danish Sea. Quite often I'll take my breakfast with me, or maybe I'll make up some scrambled eggs and I take those in a thermos to eat down at the sea. And after breakfast is eaten, everybody puts their stuff in the dishwasher and we'll get that running, and then I will get on with finishing my LOL, my load of laundry for the day. So I get the wet stuff hung up. We don't have a tumble dryer, so I dry from one day to the next. The dry stuff, I spend a few minutes folding it, and if anything needs ironed, and I always have my music going. I've got a little portable speaker from B&O, I love that. And then this all goes upstairs. I just put it into the kids' rooms. They put everything away themselves, and I look at my outfit for tomorrow, and that's basically it with my laundry. As I just said, when I've finished my laundry, I'm putting away in our bedroom, you know, I put my things away, and that's the time that I look at my outfit for the next day. And I pull everything out and put it on a hook on the back of my door, what I'm planning to wear. And that's also the time that I'll make the bed. The bed has now aired, and I just pull the sheets back again, smooth everything out, and it looks nice and neat. And then of course I head into the bathroom because I've got to brush my teeth. And if you know the Flylady system, there's something called swish and swipe for your bathroom. It just keeps it looking nice. You just do a quick wipe down of the flat surfaces in your bathroom, put away anything that you have pulled out and been using, and give the toilet a quick swish out. What I do in our house is I rotate the bathroom, so I'll do the main bathroom one day, and then the next day I'll do the guest bathroom, which is on the main floor. So that's how it works for me. But what about that dishwasher? We haven't got to that yet, so let's roll the dishwasher. And as soon as the dishwasher is finished running, I get it unloaded straight into the drawers here. That's where we keep all our kitchen stuff. And what I do with plates is, as soon as they come out of the dishwasher, instead of putting them back in here, I actually set up the table for dinner, and that just saves me a little step. There's no point in taking all this stuff out of the dishwasher, putting it into the drawers, and then taking it out again. So that's just a little quick step for me. So there you have it. That's basically my morning routine. I don't have any zone cleaning in there or decluttering. My morning routine are the things that I have to get done every day just to keep me on an even keel, just to keep things running. I keep it short and sweet. And also at the weekend, I may do things in a different order. I may do things at a different time. But the main thing is that I have my list and I just get everything checked off. So for example, during the week, I'm usually getting out of bed 6:15, 6:30 in the morning. And the weekends, sometimes I'll sit in bed with a cup of coffee reading, maybe until 9 o'clock. And at the weekend, maybe I'll have my breakfast first, and then I'll hit the shower and get dressed. It really doesn't matter. The main thing is that I've got my list and I get all of them checked off. So the timing isn't important for me the weekend, or the order. So I hope I gave you some inspiration. Maybe you're going to add some candles to your morning routine. Maybe you want to just sit with your morning coffee, gather your thoughts for 5 minutes by candlelight. Just try and make it as hoodly as possible for you, because it's just something that we have to do, and if we can make it more enjoyable, we'll actually get it done. So anyway, on that note, all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish Hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.